Imagine a city where towering monuments, serene parks, and rich cultural experiences are all within a stone's throw of each other. Welcome to Indianapolis. In today's walking tour, we're not just hitting the pavement. We're diving deep into the heart of Indy, where every step tells a story. From the majestic Indiana World War Memorial to the lively Indianapolis Zoo, this tour will take you on a journey through time, culture, and nature, all while discovering the hidden gems that make this city truly unforgettable. Whether you're here for the history, the art, or just a perfect day out, this walk has it all. So stick around, because what you're about to see will make you want to lace up your sneakers and explore Indy for yourself. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single moment. The first stop is the Indiana World War Memorial and Museum. This imposing structure dominates the downtown skyline and stands as a powerful tribute to the men and women who served in the armed forces. Built in 1924, the memorial is designed in the neoclassical style, with a massive limestone exterior that exudes strength and permanence. As you approach, the sheer size of the memorial is awe-inspiring, but it's the details that really capture your attention. The bronze doors, the intricate carvings, and the majestic steps leading up to the shrine room all convey a sense of reverence and honor. Inside, the shrine room is the heart of the memorial. This grand space, with its high ceilings and somber atmosphere, is designed to inspire reflection and contemplation. The room is lined with flags representing each branch of the military, and at the center stands the altar of the flag, a marble structure that holds the American flag, symbolizing the sacrifices made in the name of freedom. Surrounding the shrine room are various exhibits that detail the history of the World Wars, with a particular focus on Indiana's role. Artifacts, photographs, and personal stories bring history to life, making it a place where the past feels tangible and real. The museum is not just a collection of objects, but a carefully curated experience that educates and moves visitors. Leaving the solemnity of the World War Memorial, it's a short walk to the Soldiers and Sailors Monument at Monument Circle. Just head south on North Meridian Street to get there. This iconic landmark is often considered the symbol of Indianapolis, standing proudly at the city center. Completed in 1901, the monument was one of the first of its kind in the United States, dedicated to honoring all Hoosiers who fought in the Civil War. The monument rises to a height of 284 feet, making it one of the tallest structures in the city. But it's not just the height that's impressive, it's the artistry. The base of the monument is adorned with intricate sculptures depicting scenes from the Civil War. The figures are lifelike and dynamic, capturing the intensity and emotion of battle. As you walk around the monument, you can see the faces of soldiers and sailors, each one etched with determination and sacrifice. The monument also features a series of fountains, adding a sense of movement and life to the stone figures. If you're up for a bit of exercise, you can climb the 331 steps to the observation deck at the top. The panoramic views of Indianapolis are well worth the effort, giving you a new perspective on the city below. To reach the next destination, the Indiana State House, head west on Market Street. The walk is brief, just a few blocks, but it's enough to transition from the historical significance of the monument to the political heart of the state. The Indiana State House is a masterpiece of neoclassical architecture, completed in 1888. The building's exterior is grand and imposing, with a large central dome that can be seen from miles around. The entrance is flanked by towering columns, giving the building a sense of authority and importance. Inside, the State House is just as impressive. The rotunda, with its soaring ceilings and intricate details, is a marvel of design. The floors are made of marble, polished to a high shine, and the walls are adorned with murals depicting key moments in Indiana's history. As you walk through the halls, you can feel the weight of the decisions made here, decisions that have shaped the state and its people. The chambers of the Indiana General Assembly are open to the public, giving you a glimpse into the legislative process. It's a place where history and politics intersect, offering a deeper understanding of how Indiana has evolved over the years. Exiting the State House, continue west on West Ohio Street, and then head south on Northwest Street. And in just a few minutes, you'll arrive at the Iteljord Museum of American Indians and Western Art. The Iteljord is one of the few museums in the country dedicated to both Native American art and the art of the American West, making it a unique and valuable cultural institution. The museum's architecture reflects its focus, with a modern design that incorporates elements of a natural landscape, such as stone and wood, creating a harmonious connection between the building and its surroundings. Inside, the museum is a treasure trove of art and history. The Native American galleries are particularly striking, featuring a wide range of artifacts, from traditional clothing and tools to contemporary art pieces. Each exhibit is thoughtfully curated to provide context and meaning, helping visitors understand the rich cultural heritage of Native American tribes. The Western art galleries are equally impressive, with paintings, sculptures, and photographs that capture the spirit of the American frontier. The art here tells the story of exploration, settlement, and the complex interactions between cultures. The Eiteljorg is more than just a museum. It's a place of learning and reflection, offering insights into the diverse histories that have shaped America. After immersing yourself in the art and history of the Eiteljorg, it's time for a change of scenery at the Central Canal. You can continue walking along the canal trail, or rent a kayak or paddleboard to explore the city by water. This scenic waterway is one of Indianapolis's most beloved public spaces, offering a peaceful retreat in the heart of the city. The canal was originally built in the early 19th century as part of a transportation project, but today it serves as a recreational area with walking and biking paths that stretch for miles. As you walk along the canal, you'll notice the vibrant murals and public art installations that line the path. The reflections of the city's skyline on the water create a picturesque scene, perfect for photos or simply enjoying the view. The canal is also home to paddle boats and gondolas, adding a touch of romance and whimsy to the urban landscape. It's a place where locals and visitors alike come to relax, exercise, and enjoy the outdoors. The calm, flowing water and the sound of birdsong provide a soothing soundtrack to your walk, making it a moment of tranquility in your day. Continuing along the canal, it naturally leads you into White River State Park, a sprawling urban park that offers a wide range of activities and attractions. The park is a green oasis in the middle of the city, with well-maintained paths, lush lawns, and beautiful views of the White River. It's a place where nature and culture coexist, offering something for everyone. The park is home to several attractions, including the Indianapolis Zoo, the NCAA Hall of Champions, and the Indiana State Museum, making it a hub of activity. The park's design encourages exploration, with winding paths that take you through gardens, over bridges, and along the river. The park is also dotted with public art, including sculptures and installations that add an element of surprise and delight to your walk. Whether you're looking for a place to picnic, play, or simply relax, White River State Park has it all. It's a space that invites you to slow down and enjoy the beauty of the natural world, even in the midst of a bustling city. The final stop on this tour is the Indianapolis Zoo, located within White River State Park. Simply cross the old Washington Street Bridge to get there. The zoo is a world-class facility, home to a diverse array of animals from around the globe. As you enter, you're greeted by the lush gardens of the White River Gardens, a beautiful introduction to the zoo's commitment to conservation and education. The zoo is divided into several biomes, each representing a different part of the world, from the African plains to the oceans. This immersive approach allows you to experience the animals in environments that closely mimic their natural habitats. The exhibits are designed to be engaging and interactive, with opportunities to feed giraffes, touch stingrays, and watch dolphins perform amazing acrobatics. The zoo also places a strong emphasis on conservation, with programs and exhibits that educate visitors about the importance of protecting endangered species and preserving habitats. It's a place where learning and fun go hand in hand, making it a perfect way to end your day. This walking tour has led you through the heart of the city, from its historical monuments to its cultural institutions and natural spaces. But more than that, it's been a journey of discovery, where every step has revealed something new about this vibrant and dynamic city. Indianapolis is a place where the past and present coexist, where history is honored and the future is embraced. Which city would you like us to feature next? Comment your answers below. Let's keep this adventure rolling, stay curious, and keep exploring all places walkable. To watch more contents like this, click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.